Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Henry's Family TV. HENRYS Family TV. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I cook up my fish. In my previous video, I show you how I fried my fish, store it away in the freezer, because when I'm working, it's gonna be too hectic. So I'm just showing you how I do it. Okay guys, so I have my pot here with some water in it. So I'm going to steam my fish. And this is my fish, guys. This is my fish. This is my fish, guys. I'm going to cook them up. Okay, guys, I'm just going to show you how I do it. All right? Just watch my video. Let me wash my hands. Yes, guys, I'm right here. Let me show you what I do. I'm going to put carrot and my seasoning in, okay? And this is my fish, but I'm going to put my seasoning in first, okay, guys? So I'm going to scrape my carrot. How is it going so far, guys? Cut it in 3 pieces. Just watch as I go. I don't need to put any oil in my pot because the fish has already having oil, okay? So I'm just going to put the fish in with my seasoning. Okay, guys, I'm going to wash it with my seasoning here, guys. Can you see it? Let me gauge my fire. Can you see my pot now, guys? See? Okay, this is my pot now already. So I pour a little bit of water in it because I don't want any oil. So I'm going to cut my carrots. And I'm going to cut it like this, guys. You can cut it in your own way. Whatever size or shape, you cut your carrot. This is how I cut it sometimes. Just watch as I go, guys. And welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell another friend that Henry's Family TV is on. And guys, it's all about cooking, cleaning, washing my dishes, telling you about what life has to offer. Okay, guys? So you can tune in. You can type in HENRYS and then Family TV. Okay, guys? So I cut my carrot like this. And you steam your fish in whatever way you want. You can put okra in it. You can put crackers in it. You can put corn in it. Okay. Here's my, you see, this is my carrots. I'm going to put my carrot in, but I have 2 corns. I'm going to put 2 corns in too, guys. have corn here, guys. I'm going to put corn in my pot also. And what I do, guys, I buy my corns at the store, cut them like this, and freeze them. So you can do the same also. And when it's summertime, we have lots of corn. So I'm going to do it like this, this, and this. Okay, guys? So I'm going to cut my seasoning now. And as I say, I have already fried my fish in previous videos because sometimes I don't have the time to fry to show you how I fry. So I just fry it at one point, one time, and put it away. Okay, guys? So here's my onion. And you season your pot according to your taste, guys. And remember, guys, to have a good day, no matter what happened. Oh, I have a piece of carrot here. I'm going to put it. You don't have to do it like me. You have other ways to do your fish. And my fish already seasoned. I put my carrots in. I just stay there. You can see, guys. This is my scallion. And guys, I don't use margarine like that. You notice in my videos, I don't use margarine and I don't use a lot of oils. This is my sweet pepper. A piece of pepper, hot pepper. And you see my pot, guys. You see? This is my, put a little bit more water in it. And guys, I'm going to put some hot soup in it. I just put some like this, guys. Now this is my cup noodle. This is the one I use. This is what I do. I do it like this. See, guys. This is my steaming this now. And I'm going to tip a little browning in it. See, guys? Tip a little bit more. You can tip accordingly to what you want. Okay, guys? And this is my thyme water, my cloves, and my rosemary. Boil it together and I put it in like this. There, guys. You can see it. Let it stay. I'm going to let it stay like 5 minutes and then I put in my fish. Welcome back, guys. Welcome. So my season is cooked, so I'm going to put my fish in now. You can see it, guys. So you put whatever spice you want. Okay, guys. As I say, I fried my fish before, according to the time. Make your space in the pot like this. You can see, guys. And you cook whatever way you want to cook your stuff there, guys. This can hold another one. And you see it now, guys? This is my fish. You can see? Okay, guys. Steaming my fish. No oil. Just the water. No butter. Just seasoning. I'm going to put a little Maggi seasoning in it. And I'm going to put a little ginger in it. You see? You see it, guys? Let me use a bigger spoon. You see? Look at my fish now, guys. There you go. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. That's mine, guys. Fried stew fish with coconut, carrot, and seasoning. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yes, guys. I'm back. And this is my steamed fish and corn, carrot, and veggies, guys. I'm going to show you. This is it, guys. This is my finished product. Okay. You can see it, guys. And you can tip a little bit of coconut milk in it if you want. Okay, guys? Try this one. Tell me how you do your steam one. Okay, guys? Your steamed fish. So I fried my fish in my previous videos. I fried my fish, season, put it in my freezer, and let it stay there for a few days. And then I take it out whenever I want to. If I want fish, I just take out 2 or 3 pieces to cook. That's why it's all fried already. Okay, guys, so this is my finished products. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing my videos. And please remember, guys, to tell a friend, to tell another friend about Henry's Family TV. Okay, cooking all over here. Excited, hectic, nice, loving cooking is on this side. Okay, and as I say, I cook with love and a smile on my face. Thank you very much. You have a blessed day. All right. Thanks for sharing. Remember to Subscribe, share, like, and make a comment. Love you guys.